Wakad is one of the fastest developing areas situated in the northwestern outskirts of Pune. Are you looking for packers and movers in Wakad Pune? Don't know how to find the right packers near you? Afraid of moving documentation process and hassle? Afraid of damage of your valuable goods which you love the most? Afraid of giving your valuable items to some unknown moving company who may take down your goods? Don't worry, Cloud Packers and Movers can become your one-stop solution for all your shifting needs. Cloud Packers and Movers Private Limited have a very simple documentation process. Experienced and trained packing professionals will give foolproof packing with very little damage possibility. Cloud Packers and Movers Private Limited is government-registered company with ISO and IBA Approved, 6+ years of experience, 4.8 star rated, and all over India branches, 68,000+ clients served globally. Cloud Packers understand your shifting needs and propose the right solution under your budget. So now don't worry and sit back with relax. All your worries is now with Cloud Packers. Starting from packing, moving, loading, unloading and unpacking service, Cloud Packers provides a 360-degree shifting solution. Premium packing material for a foolproof packing for zero damage. Advanced equipment and tool for smooth and safe shifting. A closed container truck for transporting your goods will make your movements safer. 24/7 customer support, live tracking facility. So what are you waiting for? Complete your shifting needs with Cloud Packers and Movers Private Limited. Find us on www.cloudpackers.com or call us on 8105600621.